am Javed, this is Summer, and this is
Malika.
And we're going to give you another Christmas dance tutorial. This time it's our harder hip-hop choreography. So get your focus on because this one's going to take a little bit more concentration. Let's all go back and we'll get started. So we're going to start here and we're going to go 1 and 2. Then we're going to scoot our foot in 3 and 4. From here you go 5 and 6 and 7. Okay, so one more time. As you see, this is a bit more complicated. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, the 7. Where you roll, you're gonna kick it, front, here and here, in, chest, pop twice, followed by a hip, pop, hip, up. Okay, that whole thing again. This is way harder than the other one. And 1 and 2, in 3 and 4, 5 and 6, the 7, 8, 1 and 2, a 3 and 4, and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Now going forward, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. From here, you're going to bring the right foot back, step, step, return, punch over, back, then both hands down, round, here, out to the left, up for bounce, in, 2, 3, 4, up. Bouncing back, okay. Bouncing back once, back, back, and you're going to switch lines. Say that again. Okay, one more time. So we have 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Slowly, and 1, 2 and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. We're going on to the next bit. Now we're going to step forward. We're going to hit it. Punch it. Punch it in. Out here. Then you're going to groove it. Pop it to the left. Then we're going to groove again. Then you have pop, pop, pop it in the chest. And one more groove before you hit right. From the right hand, we're going to throw our arms to the left here. Sorry, one arm to the left, my bad. Then 2 arms to the right. Then 1 arm overhead here. Then pop the hip forward, and then snap back here. Then put your weight back on the front leg, drop it forward here. Arm comes down there. Then put your weight on this foot and your arm comes up the other direction here. Together. Da 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 here. Now we're going to groove again to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 bounces. Bounce, bounce. Open your arms to the side. Now roll inside to out there. Jumping back, 2 hands this way. Forward, down, elbow, down, drag, snap. Then 2 hands in the front, da-da, sideways in, back, down, push away, and turn. Maybe we should do all that again. So we're gonna go again. I move back to the front. We do like having our formation changes, but for ease, I'm in the front. But the ping from this. Okay, so we're gonna go from the ping. And we're gonna go step, push, groove, in. Pop it once, groove again. 6, pop, pop, pop it, left arm up, both arms to the right, back to the left, pop your hip, and then return to the right here, then drop it. Down, down, Put your full weight here, arm up, together, shoulder, shoulder, here. Then groove to the right and groove to the left. Move it again, now open up, rotate here, push it back, here, down, pop your elbow, drag, there, ball change, pop, back, down, push, turn. Alright, now move on again. Here you go sideways, sideways. Now I don't remember. Okay, and after that, oh wait, we're over there.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, so now we groove to the right, groove to the left, left arm down, up, then da-da, and these are really fast. Here, scoop, stand, pop it, like it's hot. Then you twerk a few times. Look at that. Oh, sorry. So we do chest a few times. Then you pop the hip, hip, hip to chest, bam, bam. You twerk it back, twerk it back, and you open up, kick it through, and step 1, 2, 3. Okay? So one more time from the groove section. We're going to groove to the right, to the left. Here you step, step, arm down, up, down, down, up, in, open, and through. Now here, chest, 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 chest. Here is hip, 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 and hip. Chest, pop, twerk, back, twerk, open up, and here, da, da, da. And that's the end of our hip hop choreo dance. So now we're going to do this dance again, but we're going to do it half tempo to what we normally do. And of course it's going to be mirrored, so you can just dance along with us like you're looking in the mirror. So here, hand, got, in, shoulder, ba-da, roll, kick and front, ba-da, here, in, around, top, here, kick, ba-da, down. Da-da-da, here. Open arms, round open, punch, heel, elbow, drag. And pop, here, back, down, push. Sideways, sideways, groove, and on, down, up, ba-da, round, something like it's hot. Chest, and hip, hip, chest pop, twerk, open, kick it, stop.
Hallo, ik ben Shanna. Shanna, ik mag een kopje instaan, zien we hier. Nee. Doe een blauw duimpje omhoog. Vergeet niet te abonneren.
So that's our So that's our Christmas hip-hop choreography. We hope you like it. Go on, let us know how you did. Make a video and tag us so we can take a look. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Stay tuned for more videos and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.
Bye.